Hi, it's Mark Owen from Moose Marketing and PR, the editor of Punchline Magazine. Welcome to Punchline Talks. Today I'm joined by Neill Ricketts, the CEO of Versarien. Hi, Neill. Thanks for joining us. Great news today. Congratulations. You joined up with Superdry. Do you want to tell us all about it, please, mate?
Yeah, I mean, what a fantastic collaboration between two Gloucestershire companies. I'm over here, actually. I'm talking to you from my hotel room in Barcelona, where we're at the Puzzle X conference. And we're talking about, all this technology coming to market, and there's these two Gloucestershire companies leading the charge. And for me, that's what it's all about. It's about taking this technology, which was isolated, 2004, and now making products from it. So hopefully this will be a long and meaningful relationship, and we can get graphene into almost everything they do.
So how does it actually work then? How does the collaboration work? So I'm assuming they're designing the clothes and you're doing the graphene bit. It's not the other way around.
No, not with my taste in clothes anyway. Let's hope that they get their design guys. So they're mad keen on innovation. They're finding themselves again, and they've got this sustainable edge, which we want to help them with. So we'll be in the background helping them with the technology, giving them access to some of the research that we've been doing. We've been working with them for some time. And now we're at the stage where this is really meaningful. People are getting really excited. People are trying on the clothes and seeing the benefits. So for us, it's all about moving on to the next level. It's that we've got past the first date, and now we're on to the second and third dates. And hopefully we'll get married.
So how does graphene help the clothes then?
So, I mean, that's a bit of a secret, but, what we're doing is we're using the primary function of graphene, which is to manage heat, and using that as well as lots of other aspects of graphene in their products. We want to make lighter, stronger, more environmentally friendly clothing, and Superdry is a great name to do that with. They've just launched their new London store. I believe they're getting a store in Cheltenham as well. And I think it's a great story for the county. I mean, I was going to call you the other day. There was so much doom and gloom on your page. I was kind of getting a bit depressed. And then we've got to get a few of these really good news stories out there that kind of lift people and show that we're coming out of the pandemic and that we're marching on. And I think that's what this is all about.
Hey, mate, I can't make the news. It is what it is at the end of the day.
I just think that we've had a really tough time over the last 2 years, and I want to see some more positive stories. So that's going to be Versarien, but it should be every other business as well as we come out of this pandemic.
Now, what does it mean for the Forest of Dean, your business that you've just moved over there? Will it create more jobs? Will it create more opportunities? Can you see this going into other brands, or have you signed a sole deal with Superdry?
It's not exclusive with Superdry, although we're developing unique technology for them. We're obviously dealing with a number of other brands, and we've already announced some of those in our annual report, Crosslead and a few others that we've been working on. We did allude to this in the annual report. But for us, it's about scaling up. It's about getting on more shifts, more people, more machines, and becoming a thriving part of the Forest of Dean, bringing prosperity to the county, putting the county back on the map, and as I say, what a great brand to be beside in Superdry.
Now, we've talked about, obviously, clothing. You're into concrete. You're working in tarmac. You're in planes and things. What's next?
Well, we're also into automotive as well. So if you'd have gone to the Advanced Engineering Show last week, you'll have seen the Lotus bonnet, which is a carbon fiber composite bonnet that's designed to be lighter, stronger, and more efficient in the use of materials. But what a great breadth of technology. It's a bit like buses. You wait a while for one to turn up, and then they all start turning up at the same time. And for me, that's about this technology, about the transition. This conference that I'm at today is full of people, academics, industry, and interested parties. And there's Versarien. It's a very proud moment for me to see Versarien up on the main stage, to be associated with this show, where we've got Kostya, who was the original isolator, on the stage this morning, and then little old Neill Ricketts from the Forest of Dean on the stage at the end of the evening.
Neill, congratulations once again, and thanks for talking to Punchline Talks, and thanks for talking to us first. Really appreciate it.
Always a pleasure, Mark.
Look after yourself. Safe journey. Bye, mate.